Hi there, it's Babsy B, and I'm back with yet another activity to do with the word positive, our wow word this week. Word of the week. And see that exclamation mark? That's because when you hear your child using the word positive or positively, you know that you're going to say, wow. And your child is getting positive attention also. Let's talk about a hands-on activity, something to do together or alone, your child to do this. Being positively artistic. Let's talk about how positive statements are helpful or kind. Then model making a plus sign. As you say a positive statement, such as, "Come play with us," plus. Or, "I will share my pens or markers with you," a plus sign for positive. Continue until the paper is totally covered with positive signs such that it appears to be a work of art.